So can you tell me your name, please?
Yes, I am Yoshiko.
Okay, Yoshiko-san. Okay, so where do you live?
I live in Kamakura.
Kamakura. Very, very
Yes.
good. And what do you do?
I'm working for publishing company as an editor.
Very, very good. Okay. And do you like a job?
Yes, I like job because many readers are enjoying my edited books. It's my pleasure.
That's very, very
Yes.
nice. Okay, that's good. And by the way, why do you study English? Why do you study English? Yes.
My American friends will come to Japan next Germany. No. January.
Okay.
So I talked to her about her grandchildren and family and garden.
Very, very good. Okay, so to do that, to talk to your American friend in English, what do you have to do?
What do you have?
What do you have to do?
I will write a diary in Japanese, and in English.
In English, okay.
And speak out every day.
Every day. Very good.
Yes.
How long every day?
How long
Yes.
every day?
Yes.
2
2 hours?
2 hours? It's kidding.
Yeah.
1 hour in train.
Very, very good. Okay. Promise?
Okay, I promise.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay. And before and after this seminar,
Yeah.
do you feel any changes?
Yes, I had changed. Before, I might not be able to master English again. So, but after, I might be able to master English.
Very, very good. Okay. So, do you have any comments to the people who are watching this?
Watching?
Yes.
Who?
Do you have any comments? So, do you think this seminar is good or okay or?
This seminar is very good. New because you will be new experience and you will watch new world. So you come here.
Yes, you should come here.
You should come here.
Okay, that was very, very good. So you